Hello guys, today I got the smart light bulbs from our friends of Showy Life. They actually feature to be able to adjust brightness, change color, sync with Alexa and Google Assistant, and much more. Let's go ahead and get them installed. So the installation is very simple. They actually go installed like a regular light bulb. You simply screw them in. Okay. Inside the box, you're going to find this instruction manual with a QR code that you're going to go ahead and scan with your phone, and you're going to download the app. The app will be called Smart Life. Once installed, you're going to go ahead and open it. You're going to allow permissions and agree to the app terms and conditions. You're going to go ahead and sign up. And once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and add your device. Then the app will start scanning, and then the bulb will be added to your home. Something cool to mention is that once you actually set up the first bulb, the other one will recognize the same setup and will set up the other bulb. Now let's wait until this one finishes setting up. Once it's set up finished, you will see a check mark next to each bulb, and you will click done. You can actually turn them off. You can change the brightness. You can also create a group. That way, whenever you make one change, you actually make for both. You can actually change the color. You also can create scenes, turn on in the morning or turn on at night. And you can actually sync them to the music. Okay guys, so as you see, you can actually do a lot of functions with these lights. Okay, you can actually control them, make them brighter on your phone. You can do a bunch of things with these lights. Create scenes, turn it on, or just for the reason of actually controlling them with your phone. That's just so cool. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.